Oh yeah. They're $4.92 marked $5.96. What a super hidden bargain.
Are we on the 3601 29th Ave?
Yep.
Ooh, look at that. 124. So the school teacher ones and the Ken tennis guy.
I'm just gonna work my way down. I'm gonna scan everything. When in doubt, scan it out. Yeah, it says every one of these is out of stock, but they're right here. What'd you find?
It's $5.51.
What?
But that one isn't, but this one is.
Okay, so the purple top.
And they're $11.96 profit. And Walmart has it.
Bam. That's how we do it on date night, I guess. Oh boy. Yeah. Okay, we need to check this also. $9.94.
Now each color's different though. See? Oh, that's a Chelsea mermaid. But still.
Well, this is, let's check this one here.
Check the light pink.
Okay.
This is the way they were at the other store too. And I couldn't find any in the right color.
14. Look at those girls in the...
Oh, we need those plastic girls.
Yeah.
Because those are the ones that are...
Do I just get the whole box? There. Oh, it's really heavy. It just keeps going.
Three.
Ooh, $1.99.
What's that one?
I'm not even scanning these on Amazon because I already know. A Barbie for $1.99 is a no-brainer. So, let's see what we got here. $4.13. That one I'll check. What do you think? $4 to make $3? You know it, yeah.
Oh, this is the one I just got.
$2.93.
Hmm.
3 to make 2, yeah. Let's do it.
Yeah. We'll average out because the other ones were only $1.24 at the other one.
You did? And that one too, probably?
I've done all these up here, so yeah.
How much of this is going to come home with us? Actually, the prices look like garbage, so probably not very much, but definitely going to do due diligence and find everything that I can. Okay, so that clearance aisle was total garbage. Here we got this. Ooh, very nice.
Same thing here. This one too. But I don't think those. I don't think those. No, I don't think the teal one. And I don't know this one either. see that.
What are the chances these are $5? I mean, really. I don't know. I think it's pretty good. Drum roll, please. Oh, that's too bad. I'm not gonna get it for $12. What about the minion? 14, jeez. This is like the open box department here. Look at that, got printers just strapped up. What's up with that? I've never seen that before at a Walmart. I've definitely picked these up before. I don't remember how much for, but well, it was for less than $4.50, guaranteed. That's a no-go. You ready for electronics?
Mm-hmm.
Booyah. I'm going this way. Yeah. We're gonna get those. Where'd the cart go? I paid $14.50, but they are ranked like
That's pretty good.
1,000 in toys. And I don't see any up top. Okay. Ooh, there's some. Desitin, $2.85 with a travel.
That's cute.
It expires October 2022, so that is good. Look at that, $989. Come on. Pays $4.85. Yeah, might as well. We're here and we ain't finding much else. What'd you find?
Arbitrage cream.
Hello Bello. Should we check it out? It doesn't come up. Is there just one?
Yeah.
I wouldn't even type it in for that. We'll take these though. Look at her go. All right.